have just entered the English Cipher.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Cipher. I am Maya, and I am so incredibly happy to be here with you today.
Hello, Maya, and hello to all our wonderful friends listening at home. I am Elias. It is always a great pleasure to sit down and chat with you.
It really is, Elias. How is your day going so far? Are you feeling relaxed?
I am feeling very relaxed, thank you. I have my hot tea, the sun is shining, and I am ready for our conversation today.
That is wonderful. I am feeling very excited too. I have my coffee, and I have a great topic for us to discuss.
Oh, a great topic. I see you have some shopping bags on the table, Maya. What are we investigating today?
We are investigating a very fun and very busy place. It is a place with bright lights, a lot of people, and many, many different shops.
Many shops in one place. Ah, I know. We are talking about the shopping mall.
Yes, exactly. Today we are taking our listeners on a virtual trip to the shopping mall.
That is a fantastic topic. The mall is a very popular place to go on the weekend, and it is the perfect place to learn practical English vocabulary.
Yes, we can learn words for clothes, food, money, and asking for help. It is real-life English.
Before we start our shopping trip, we should welcome everyone who is listening right now.
Yes, welcome everyone. We are so glad you are here with us. If you enjoy our quiet, relaxing podcast, please click the like button. It really helps our channel grow.
And please subscribe to the English Cipher so you never miss our new conversations.
Thank you so much. Okay, Elias, are you ready? Let's go to the mall.
I am ready. So, the shopping mall. It is usually a very big building.
Yes, it is huge. And inside this big building, there are many different shops.
Yes. In English, we can say shops or we can say stores. A clothes shop or a clothing store. Both words are perfectly correct.
Shops and stores. Good to know. What is your absolute favorite store at the mall, Elias?
My favorite store? That is easy. The bookstore. I love looking at all the new books. It is very quiet and peaceful in there.
I knew you would say the bookstore. You are a true detective. You love reading mysteries.
It is true. I love a good mystery. What about you, Maya? What is your favorite shop?
I love the clothes shops. I love looking at the new dresses, the bright colors, and the soft sweaters.
Clothes are very important. Let's imagine we are walking into a big clothes shop right now. What do we see?
We see sections for men, women, and children. We see many different items. We see shirts.
Yes, long sleeve shirts and short sleeve t-shirts. T-shirts are very comfortable for the weekend.
We also see pants. And in English, blue denim pants are usually called jeans.
Jeans. They are very popular all over the world. We also see jackets, coats, and sometimes shoes.
Let's imagine I find a very beautiful red sweater. I really like it, but I do not know if it will fit me.
That is a very common problem. You need to check the size. On the label, you will usually see letters.
Yes, you will see an S for small, an M for medium, and an L for large.
What size are you usually looking for, Maya?
I usually look for a size medium, the letter M.
Okay, so you find a beautiful red sweater in size medium. What do you do next? You can't just buy it immediately.
No, I have to make sure it looks good on me, so I must try it on.
Try it on. That is a very important English phrasal verb. It means to put the clothes on your body to see if they fit correctly.
Yes, I take the red sweater and I look for a small private room in the store.
In English, we call that small room the fitting room or the changing room.
Exactly. I go into the fitting room, I try on the red sweater, and I look in the big mirror.
And how does it look?
It looks perfect. It is very soft, and the red color is beautiful. I decide that I want to buy it.
Excellent. So you leave the fitting room. Now you must pay for the sweater. Where do you go?
I walk to the front of the store, and I stand in a line with other people.
Yes. You wait in line until it is your turn to speak to the worker. Do you know the word for the worker who takes your money?
Yes, I do. That person is called the cashier.
Very good. The cashier. You walk up to the cashier and place the sweater on the counter.
The cashier is usually very polite. They will say, "Hello, did you find everything you needed today?"
And you say, "Yes, thank you. Just this sweater, please."
Then the cashier scans the tag and it makes a beep sound. The cashier says, "That will be $25, please."
$25. That is the price, the cost of the item. How do you want to pay, Maya?
Well, I have two choices. I can pay with cash. Cash means paper money and metal coins.
Yes, cash. Or you can use a small plastic card.
A credit card or a debit card. Today, I think paying with a card is much faster.
It is very fast. You tap your card on the machine and it is finished.
The cashier takes the red sweater, folds it nicely, and puts it inside a shopping bag for me.
And then the cashier hands you a very small, long piece of paper. This is very important. Do you know the word for it?
Yes, that small paper is called the receipt.
The receipt. R-E-C-E-I-P-T. The P is silent. Why is the receipt so important, Maya?
Because sometimes we make mistakes. Maybe I take the sweater home, I try it on again the next day, and I decide I do not like the color anymore.
Or maybe you find a small hole in the fabric that you did not see in the store.
Exactly. If I have the receipt, I can take the sweater back to the store and I can return it to get my money back.
Returning an item is very easy if you have proof that you bought it. Always keep your receipt.
Whew. All of this clothes shopping and paying money is making me very tired.
Shopping is hard work. It requires a lot of walking and decision making.
Yes, and now I am feeling very hungry. Let's go find some food.
Oh, my favorite part of the mall. Let's walk to the big open area where all the restaurants are.
Yes, in a shopping mall, the large area with many different food shops and many tables in the middle is called the food court.
The food court. It is usually very busy, very loud, and it smells wonderful. There are so many choices.
What do you usually like to eat at the food court, Elias?
There is usually Chinese food, Mexican tacos, hamburgers, but I think I want pizza today.
Pizza! That is a classic food court choice. It is fast and delicious.
Okay, we walk up to the pizza counter. We look at the menu. The menu is the list of food they offer.
I see cheese pizza and I see pepperoni pizza.
The worker behind the counter looks at us and asks a very polite question. They say, "Hello, what would you like to order?"
What would you like? That is a perfect polite phrase in English.
I will say, "I would like 1 slice of pepperoni pizza, please."
And I will say, I would like 1 slice of cheese pizza, please, and 2 bottles of water.
Perfect. We use the magic word, please. It makes everyone's day a little bit better.
We pay the cashier, we take our hot pizza on a tray, and we find an empty table in the food court to sit down.
Sitting down feels so good after walking around the big mall for hours, and the pizza is excellent.
Yes, it is. We eat our food, we drink our water, and we rest our feet.
Okay, we are finished eating. We have a new red sweater, and we have full stomachs. What should we do next?
We could go to the cinema. Most large shopping malls have a movie theater inside them.
The cinema. That is a great idea. We could buy tickets and watch a new movie.
We could buy a large box of popcorn and watch a funny comedy movie to relax.
That sounds wonderful, Maya. But I think we have a small problem.
A problem? What is wrong, Elias?
I have been walking around this mall for a long time. It is very big, and there are many corridors. I think I am completely lost.
Oh no! You don't know where we are?
No, and I really need to find the restroom.
The restroom, or as some people call it, the bathroom or the washroom.
Yes, I need to find the restroom, but I do not see any signs. What should I do?
Do not worry, Elias. When you are lost in a mall or anywhere in an English-speaking country, you just need to find a worker or a polite stranger.
Okay, I see a security guard standing near a shop. How do I ask him for help politely?
You must always start with a polite interruption. You say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me. That is a great start. It is very polite.
Yes. Then you use the magic question structure. Where is the...
Excuse me. Where is the restroom, please?
Perfect. That is exactly right. Where is the most useful phrase for a traveler or a shopper.
Let me try again. Excuse me. Where is the food court?
Excellent. Excuse me, where is the nearest exit?
This is incredibly useful. So I ask the security guard, "Excuse me, where is the restroom?"
And the guard will probably smile and say, "Go straight down this hall and turn left."
Go straight and turn left. Thank you. I am not lost anymore.
No, you are found. The shopping mall is actually a fantastic place to practice your English in real life.
It really is. You can practice reading by looking at the signs, sale, exit, restroom, food court.
You can practice listening by hearing the announcements on the speakers or hearing other people order food.
And you can practice speaking by talking to the cashier, ordering your pizza, or politely asking for directions.
It is a full English immersion experience, and you get to go home with a beautiful new sweater.
Wow, Maya, look at the time. Our virtual trip to the mall took a long time today.
Oh, yes. Time really flies when we are having a pleasant conversation and having fun.
It does. I had a very nice time today, Maya. Thank you for shopping with me.
Thank you, Elias. My imaginary feet are very tired, but I feel very happy.
Well, that is all the time we have for today's episode.
Yes. Thank you to everyone for listening to our quiet chat. We truly hope you enjoyed it.
We hope you learned some useful, practical English words for your next trip to the store.
Please do not forget to subscribe to the English Cipher channel. We have many more relaxing conversations coming soon.
And click the like button if you had fun today. It helps us reach more students around the world.
Before we say goodbye, we have a question for you.
Yes, please tell us in the comments section below. What is your absolute favorite shop at the mall?
Or, what do you like to order when you visit the food court? Do you like pizza, like Elias?
Write your answers in English. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. We love reading your comments.
It is our favorite part of making these videos.
It really is. Well, have a beautiful week, everyone. Take care of yourselves.
Happy learning, and see you next time.
Case closed.
Great job, everyone! See you next time on The English Cipher. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to hit that subscribe button